Hello everyone, I've got a 2016 Holden Colorado with a 2.8 litre diesel, and the belt tensioner is not working anymore. It's not holding pressure. As you can see, I can just pull this belt off. So the tensioner's spring's broken. So we'll be replacing this tensioner with this new one, and that'll sit like that. So to get the belt tensioner off, we took this off first. We took this off to diagnose why the belt was slipping, and it was a tensioner that's no good, which is down here. See, the belt's loose with the tensioner, so it's not working. I've got this new tool. You can put the socket on the bolt and you can get to it from up top. Let's see if it works. So we've got it on the bolt, and I suppose you've got to hold this tightly. And now just take a video of the ratchet. We push the ratchet in the normal undo motion.
The hands are in the
Yep, works well. And then you just wind it like a normal ratchet. So we're just going to pull the bolt out. I'll just slip that belt off. So here's the damaged one here. Even the bearing's a little bit gone. There's a new one. So we'll put the new one on now. They give you a washer, put that on the front. Alright, so we just got to make sure that guide pin goes into the housing. There we go, sitting in its spot. Just doing the bolt up. Okay, do it up. Let's use this new tool. Alright. Alright, now we're going to put the belt back on. The reason I'm using the same belt because it's not old, it's just been replaced not long ago, still in good nick. Just trying to get the socket on there. Okay. Alright, so you can't use this tool to put it on. You've got to use a normal breaker bar. It's extremely tight. Just move that torch. So good. Alright, so what I've had to do is put the ratchet under the fan so I can get leverage on it to get the belt on. It's much easier that way. Can't see anything. I'm going to just check the belt is on all the grooves properly on the pulleys. Yep. And that's it. Now we just got to put the air cleaner back on the elbow. Back the clamp off a bit more. Okay. Still up the clamps. Just make sure everything's on. Okay, we'll start it up. We'll see if it's good. Nothing in the engine bay. Nope. Leave the light there so I can see. Do you have to put your foot on the brake? No. That's it.